All right, guys, let's get down to it and make you some money. I'm a little conservative, I think, with this one, but you know the name, Whole Foods. WFM is the name of the company. All right, listen, they had a string of earnings misses, but they beat the streak the last couple of times. I like where this stock is on the chart. I think they're going to start to really ramp things up. Look at that. You got a nice little turn there coming on. It's not, listen, you know I don't like the conscious capitalism thing, but I do like the fact that from a risk-reward point, this is a good stock to have in your portfolio. And I even got to admit, guys, I went to the Container Store last week. You guys don't know, I hate their business model because it's not a business model, but they're proud of it. They have a big sign there, conscious capitalism, and they sell the books.
Yeah.
But I was thinking, you know what? Oil is so cheap. 90% of stuff in there is made out of plastic, which is oil, right? And even if you don't have a for-profit business, which essentially is what they are. So I compromised, and I went with Whole Foods. One of their compatriots, but Whole Foods, they do like money. What do you guys think about it?
I love Whole Foods, and they're really trying to get more competitive, and Sprouts Farmers Market, companies like that really can't compete in the way that I thought they could. Well, because it's about
Sprouts
scale.
Is cool and all that stuff.
And I like that. It was a company that we really looked at, but Whole Foods, it's about scale, and it's about how you buy from your
I know. I like walking in, and I'll ask the consumer expert. When I walk into a Whole Foods versus a Trader Joe's, completely different experience. I feel like I walked into Hippieville and Trader Joe's, but Whole Foods is really a nice shopping experience.
It's curated food. It's a museum. It's the MoMA of your appetite. And I actually think it tracks back to housing. People don't want to live in the suburbs in these McMansions, which is why the Tyson's Corners in D.C. or the Stamford, Connecticuts or across the country, young people, they want to, it's a more European model. They want to buy what they want to eat that day, and Whole Foods really lends itself to that.
Gen X play. Talk about Gen X.
Yeah.
Gen X
and millennial to a certain degree, right? They want clean food. They don't care if they got to pay a lot of money for it.
They can't afford it. Yeah, they're moving up there, but the Gen X can actually, we actually have jobs. We can go out there and afford that. I love Whole Foods, and I think the competition was an issue a couple years ago, but they won out. I mean, they're still the clear leader.
Exactly, and that's what we've looked at. This is like the restoration hardware of supermarkets.
All right, guys.
Make a great organic chicken finger, too.
Okay.